Hi guys, welcome back to my video. Today I'm going to go ahead and show you all how I straighten out my hair. This right here that you see is my hair naturally curly. What I do is when I wash it, I go ahead and put all the products that I use to keep my hair nice and protected from heat, nice and moist, anything to keep out frizz. I go ahead and put all that in my hair once I wash it, and then what I do is I go ahead and I split my hair and I do 2 braids. I sleep in the braids, and then the next day once my hair is dry, I take it out, looks like this, which is what my hair normally looks like when it's curly. So today I'm going to go ahead and use my Lang flat iron that I have. I already turned it on. It goes up to 450 degrees. So what I normally do is I want to comb out my hair before I actually start flat ironing it. Look at this hair, child. Look at this hair. Got some Diana Ross or Tina Turner type hair looking like right here. All right, so we start from the bottom. So what I usually do is I grab and I split my hair under my earlobes. Just grab some of that hair. And then the rest I will put up. Rubber, and I will just tie this up here so it's out of the way. Now this is the little bit of hair that I have down, so I take small pieces about this size right here and I comb it out, and with my brush I hold the brush and then I'm pulling it so that it's easier to straighten and faster. And then I get to the roots. And then just straighten. Usually for my hair, it takes about just twice. It takes me twice to go through the hair. And if you see the smoke, it's because the heat and the protectant are working together, but my hair is soft. It doesn't smell like burn, and it's not burning my hair. You know, once it burns your hair, if your ends get really crunchy or if it gets orange, or I don't know, if you've ever burned your hair, you know what it is like and what it smells like. Here's my second piece. And I go all the way down. Sometimes if you want straight ends, you just go all the way straight down. Other times you can just curl the bottom, your edges, by just turning the wand. This is how straight. This is your before and your after. Now once I flat iron my hair, I don't tend to pass the iron on it anymore. If I blow dry my hair, then I won't straighten it. I'll just blow dry it because my hair is so thin that it usually gets pretty straight when it looks about the same when I blow dry it like it does when I flat iron it. Now to me, flat ironing, it lasts longer because Florida, the humidity, the heat, you tend to sweat and then it gets a little bit curly. For those of us who have the naturally curly hair, you all know what I'm talking about. So now, that's the first piece. I'm gonna go ahead and split my hair again at the temples and going back. When you have long hair, because I don't have a lot of hair, but I have long hair. So when you have long hair, it tends to get knotted up. Just bring this over to the side because I already did this and I don't want it to get mixed up. So I'll go ahead here at the temple and split that as well. And do the same steps. I will go ahead and tie this up here. Now, just a quick reminder, if you have not joined my giveaway, don't forget to do so. I will go ahead and link the video above so that you can enter the giveaway. You have until August 1st when I'll be announcing the winners. So good luck to everybody who have already entered. It is my very first giveaway, and I hope you all like it, and there will be many more giveaways to come. So I went ahead and split once again. Now when I do my closer to my skin, I tend to like pull it and quickly, so that I'm not burning my skin. 2 times is all it takes. I usually have a smaller brush for this. Be careful with your ears. You don't want to get your ears burned. If you're wondering where I'm putting my tool, I'm putting it on this little thing I got. I think it was at Big Lots. I don't know if you have a Big Lots where you're from, but over here in Florida we have Big Lots. And this is literally what it's for. It said for flat irons, and you just place it on top either way, and it won't burn your table, anything that you have. When I saw this, I said definitely have to get it. I think it was probably like $6. So it's good. And then we'll just continue doing the same thing with the rest of the hair. I get small pieces so that way it gets nice and straight. And it's a beautiful day out. I have a window right here next to me. Gorgeous day. It's been super hot in Florida. When I tell you it's been hot, it's in like the 3 digits. It's kind of unbearable to be outside. So I did want to take this time to go ahead and thank everyone who has subscribed to my channel. If you haven't, go ahead and click the subscribe button, ring the bell so that you have your notifications on for when I go ahead and put up any new content. I want to thank you all again for your support and for joining me and for watching my videos, for commenting, and you know, just showing me support. As I said, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Go ahead and comment anything you'd like to comment, any questions you have, and I'll be sure to answer that. This part of my hair a little bit differently. So what I do is, I know some of this is longer, some of this is still part of my normal back hair, and then some of it is my bangs. So, but I like from the middle here, I just like to split it. And all this hair, I do it front. And then I split this in 4 small pieces. So now here, I am going to do a piece to the side. So I'm going to do this piece going to the side. Smaller brush here. So here I will split this into 2. Back piece. I'm gonna do this frontward. And this one will go front as well. Kind of go up from the roots and then kind of towards the side. Okay. It's kind of long, I don't know if you can see. I'll show you the back if I can. Yeah. And there you have it. This is how I flat iron my hair. Nice and straight. Looks very healthy. So let me go ahead and show you the products that I put on my hair last night. First thing first, I go ahead and use It's a 10 Silk Express Miracle Silk Leave-In. Okay, I make sure I spray this all over my hair after I wash it and comb it out, and I leave it in as it is. After that, I'm gonna go ahead and put my Caviar Anti-Aging Restructuring Bond Repair. It's a 3-in-1 sealing serum. It rebonds and protects damaged hair. Then I use my Whole Blends Gentle Detangling Milk. Love this product, smells great, makes my hair feel really soft. Next thing I do is my Garnier Fruit Cheese Smoothing Treat, and that's it's a 1-minute hair mask with avocado extract. You can use it as a 1-minute hair mask, and then I believe you can rinse it out. Yep, after that you can rinse it out, or the way I use it is I just use it as a leave-in. So that's pretty much all that I use, and this is how I straighten out my hair. If you like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Once again, don't forget to subscribe, and until next time, thank you for watching.